guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are talking about Viking Cruise. I've been getting a lot of complaints of people telling me I applied and I was told they're taking people from the US. I don't know, I don't qualify because I'm not from that specific country. And I think I've done a tutorial before on how to apply with Viking Cruises, but I will redo the tutorial and also explain more on what you're supposed to apply while on the Viking Cruise website. Remember, when you get here, here on this website, you have to apply depending on where you're coming from. They have Viking Ocean, they have Viking Mississippi, they have Viking Expedition, so they have Viking River Cruise, and all those places. There are specific people who are supposed to apply from there. So for example, when you search for Viking Cruise jobs application, you will find this is the result. Then you let's click, and this is the website. Okay, so when you come to this website, and another thing, even before I forget, please don't apply for a job because you just want to apply. If you've made a waitress CV, just wait until when the position is open. If you've made a housekeeping CV, just wait until it's open and then apply. Don't just throw your CV everywhere. For example, with Viking Cruise, the moment you do your application with them, for example, you applied for galley utility, right? The next time you go to apply for another position, they will tell you have already applied for that position. Okay, so just wait until the position is open, then send your application. So normally what's happened is when you come here, okay, when you come here, you will find that there's some information that you need to know. Okay, there are some information that you need to know, and that's what I'm going to be talking about. For example, if you're looking for a job, when you get to this website, you will come here, and as you can see, there's like job category. There's call center sales, there's maintenance, there's food and beverage, there's front office, there's culinary, there's maritime, there's entertainment, there's admin and management, and all those other things. So you just keep checking. There's housekeeping and laundry, accounting and finance, and each department, it shows you the position open. Okay, for example, you can see like in culinary they have 12 of them. So let's click on culinary and see what we're gonna get. So when you come here, you see they need Japan. There's Japan, and they have written Japanese speaking chef de cuisine. So if you're a chef de cuisine, that is CDC, and you're not from Japan, you should not go ahead and apply for this job, because you will not get, despite how qualified you will be or how good your experience is, they are not going to take you. You'll see here they have galley utility. It's written ocean. So this is where you send your application, especially if you're from Africa. Okay, this is where you send your application. It's a global. So if you're from Africa, you're from Asia, you can send your application here. It's even written global here. You see, it's written ocean and expedition, and then in brackets global. So this is a position that you can apply for, and as you can see, it's an entry level position. When you go down, there's also this. They have written Japan. So with this one, you need to be in Japan. And when you look at under this blue heading, they will see there is ocean, but in bracket Japan. So if you're not from Japan, you're not supposed to apply for this specific position. We go down. There's river trainee cook, River Cruise, and then they have written in bracket Europe. So you need to be in Europe, or you need to have an EU passport for you to have a smooth like application for you to apply and get the job. There's utility attendant. Normally this is like it's a position that you can it's like an entry level position, let's say. But it's written Mississippi, so you need to be in the US for you to apply for this position. Okay, you're supposed to be in the US, because the ship goes to those small rivers in the US and Mississippi. So you need to either be in the US or be a US citizen for you to be able to apply. So despite how the position is here, and despite it being an entry-level position, if you're not from here, you're not supposed to apply. And that's where most of the people go wrong. You'll keep saying that I'm getting regrets. Patience is very important in this process. Patience. If there's something that will make you be patient, is this cruise jobs application process. Some people will apply and get the response in the first time. Some will apply for multiple jobs, 10 positions or 10 different positions in different cruise line. So it's all about patience and also applying for the right position. So as you can see, as we scroll down here, let's go to next. So from the 12 openings that are here, we can only apply for one. Okay, if you're from like Africa or Asia, you can only apply for galley utility, because this is the only position that is global. Others, you have to make sure you are from the countries that they have indicated. So for example, let's look at food and beverage. Okay, so this is the department, food and beverage. When you click food and beverage, you see there's this bartender, but they want a Japanese speaking. So you need to be from Japan and speaking Japanese for you to get this job. There's also Japan, Mississippi. There's galley utility. There's a waiter, but from river cruise. So there's no way you will go to apply for this position if you're from Kenya or from Nigeria or from Uganda or from South Africa. You need to be in Europe for you to apply for this waiter position. If you cannot see the waiter ocean, then you're not supposed to apply. You're supposed to wait. You see, they also have an assistant waiter position, of which you're not eligible to apply. Okay, so these are some of the things that you need to know when it comes to this process of application. You have to check. You have to check. So there's this one. You see this one, restaurant manager. It's ocean. This one you can apply, but if you click on the duties and responsibility, they have said that, because I had checked it earlier. I read. Let me see where they are asking about. They're talking about your profile. So they say a required minimum of 3 years experience as a restaurant manager or similar position with a premium brand hospitality environment. Shipboard experience is required. So you need to have worked in a cruise ship for them to hire you. Okay, you need to have worked, but still, if you feel you have good experience and you haven't worked on board, you can still apply, because it's under ocean, it's under global. Okay, so you qualify to apply for the position. The only thing that will make you be disqualified or not get selected or shortlisted, it's only that if you don't have the requirements that they need or they have indicated, like you need to have like shipboard experience for you to apply for that position. So there's utility. Let's click next. We see what they have. So as you can see, there's even Egypt waiter. I had a problem with someone I had done a CV for, and she was telling me, why am I getting regrets? The position is well written, River Egypt. You need to wait until when you see ocean waiter for you to apply. And on the other side, it's not a must they shortlist you. You might be having a very nice experience, but they are always, I don't know what they use to determine who to take, or sometimes they have enough candidates and they'll just drop you. So it's all about you applying and keeping your faith strong, hoping they'll select you. So as you can see, there are no oceans positions, so many ocean positions apart from that restaurant manager we have seen there under ocean. Okay, so let's click on entertainment. So when you come here on entertainment, you see there are no like there are no like ocean apart from the galley utility. They keep bringing it back because I've checked on it severally. I was looking for something, huh? So guys, as you can see, there's this one, technician, sound technician. So this one you can apply. So if you're under entertainment and you would love to apply, or you're in this department, you can apply. I don't know what it's all about. Sound technician. Let's see what are the requirements. Oh, so you read here about the duties and responsibility, and then you can go ahead and apply if you fall under the category. Okay, if you fall under this category, you can go ahead and apply. And as you can see, they don't require you to have worked in a cruise ship. So that one you can apply because it's global. As you can see, it's ocean, and then down there they have written ocean and expedition global. So you can apply for that. But the rest, you have to make sure you're in those what do you call, in those areas that they have indicated. There's guest lecturer, it's global also. There's guest lecturer art, it's global. You can read more about that and see if it's something that you can do, and then you can go ahead and apply. So let's check the last one. This one, call center, it has a lot of openings. So let's see what it's all about. Let's see what it's all about. You see they have written US only. It's remote jobs. These are remote jobs. And you need to be in the US for you to get them. So they have remote jobs, but this one they have written it's ocean. So if the job does not fall under the category of ocean global, don't waste your time applying, because chances of not even chances, they will not select you, they will not shortlist you, and you just continue being frustrated. So guys, that's all about it. If you'd love if it's about a tutorial on how to apply, let me show you how you go about it. We will try with the ocean because I've seen it's there. I think my internet is misbehaving. It's misbehaving. So we just select Gali. So when you come here, for example, this is Gali utility. You will just come here and click apply now. When you click apply now, let's see. First, you need to click here, upload your resume. After you upload your resume, you're supposed to fill in here. After you fill in and go to the next page, that's where they ask you about your experience. How long have you been working? If you've worked in a 5-star hotel, you say yes. They ask if you have like a passport that is valid for the next 6 months, you say yes, and then they'll ask you when you're available to join. So you're supposed to select there and then submit. It's very easy. Actually, it's one of the easiest, and in most cases they don't ask for your cover letter unless now you attach it when you're applying, which is not necessary. You can just upload your resume only. With Carnival, they'll require you to have like the recommendation letter. With other cruise line like MSC, you'll be required to upload your cover letter. But with Vikings, all you need is your resume, upload, fill in all this information very quick and submit. That's all. But they are very, very, very strict when it comes to people that they select. Immediately you get a job, like immediately they shortlist you, you'll be required to send the recommendation letter. They'll ask for work certificate, they may ask for your contract, they may ask for your what do you call it, appraisal, or even your 3 months what do you call it, pay slips. So those are things that you have to consider. If you don't have them, you need to be ready to prepare them or to provide them in case you get shortlisted. So guys, that's all about Viking Cruise. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure that your bell icon is on so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. So thank you so much guys. Let me see you in our next one. Bye.